3, 2, 1.
No lie, me no lie. Got lost in her eyes. Found something I like, yeah. Weren't even my type.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. A brand on Instagram called Hey Estrid reached out to me, and they are a female first razor brand. So they got into contact with me, they saw my Instagram, really liked my content and my style, and they were like, do you want to try out our razor? And I was like, yes. I chose yellow because that's my favorite color, of course, and I'm so excited to shoot content for them because I've actually got a vision for this. My best friend gave me a yellow coil for my birthday. Oh my god, it is the most beautiful thing ever. I love it so much. It's really me. She gave it to me, she's like, this is so you, and I was like, I'm gonna like cry. I'll probably do this tomorrow when I have a proper full day, because basically it's already almost 1 o'clock and obviously I need to head out. By the time I get back, it'll be like 2:30. Get ready, not get ready, I'll be done at like 3:30, and then it starts getting dark at like 4, 5ish. What I'm gonna do is wake up really early tomorrow, get that done. I'm also planning to record the whole process, so show you my setup, show you how I do my makeup, do little videos like a day as an influencer. Obviously I'm gonna shoot Instagram content, and also I've got another brand deal coming up soon. Another razor brand contacted me. I'm just like, what, am I just like attracting razor brands? This one is different. This one I have to test out for a week and then give a review, and then after I've got to attend a Zoom call at the end, like a consultation. Yeah, that's fun. Excited. I'm actually really excited. And you know what is so weird? I've been needing to get razors for a while. I think I've low-key manifested it. I don't actually know how this vlog is going to turn out. It's going to be very bitty, loads of stuff happening. I've opened it already, that's why it looks like this. This is the package that came in the post. My roommate came to our room, she gave it to me. She was like, there's a package for you from Sweden. I was like, Sweden? I haven't ordered anything. I was so confused. And then I was like, ah, it is. Came in a box like this. Looks like this. It says mood. Leave me alone. Seriously, I've been waiting for this. And then to open up, you just... And this is honestly the cutest thing ever. It says here, always remember your body is beautiful. It is the most incredible, amazing thing you will ever own, and there isn't any other like it. You're one of a kind. I think that is literally so cute. So what I'm going to do is actually frame this. I think this is so sweet. I love this. And then obviously open it up, take this out. In here, it says, your body, your control. Come hang with us at Hey Estrid. That's their Instagram. And then at the bottom it says, PS, I'm 100% recycled and 100% recyclable. So please make sure I can be reborn one day, hopefully as a paper unicorn. A vegan razor. Is that even a thing? Oh, yes it is. Let me show you what's inside. Tip this over. This says, hey sister, it's so nice to meet you. I love how they've just like branded themselves. It's so cool. It says Estrid was created because of this fun fact. A lot of women shave with men's razors. Why? Because the majority of shaving brands are not only targeted towards men, but also less expensive than razors for women. We wanted to change all of that. How? By creating a sharper and smoother shaving experience for all women at almost half the price of the competition. And then it tells you about what you see inside. So obviously you've got the handle here, 5 blade cartridges, and the wall holder. And then it teaches you how to replace the blade. This is the wall holder, which I think looks amazing. So I'm going to pop that on my mirror as well. Some of you might not know this, so I'll share it with you. It says, number 1, water and time equals rust. We wanted to avoid as many unnecessary chemicals and coatings as possible on our fine ass steel, which means that like most natural metals, it will rust if exposed to water for long periods of time. The holder will take care of your razor when you're not around. Please remember to use it. Number 3 says, some of us shave in the shower, others by the sink, and a few lucky ones on a tropical beach to the sound of crashing waves. What a dream. No matter where you shave, remember to store your Estrid razor in a dry place. After use, please rinse your Estrid with water to keep it clean and pretty. I love that, pretty. To keep up the good vibes with your Estrid and to keep a flawless hygiene routine, we recommend changing your blades after 5 to 7 times of usage. So this is the razor. Look at it. Look at it. I wish you guys could feel it. It's a solid steel razor, so it's heavy. Normally they're very light and flimsy, but this is really cool. Obviously it's yellow, my favorite color. This little thing here is how you detach the razor. So what you do is pull that up, detach it, nice and simple. There we go. Look at that, focus, yes. We love that. And then they've obviously given me a spare one so I can change the blade when I've used this one around 5 to 7 times. Holder, which you stick on a wall. So the first thing I need to do, I can actually do today, is basically take photos of the product, which I can upload onto Instagram stories. However, the photos I take today, I'm not posting today, I'm going to post tomorrow on my story, so then it looks like it's all in one day. You know, you get me. I'll turn my ring light on. Oh god, that is so bright. I'm going to position this so it looks aesthetically pleasing. Something like that. And yeah, I'll take a photo of it. I've moved you guys around. I'm basically gonna go on Instagram and just get a nice photo. Or do a little boomerang. Yay! I think I got it. So this is a little video that I've just taken using a little Instagram filter. What I'm gonna do now is mute the video because I'm making sounds in the background. And then what I'm gonna do is take another photo of inside the box so I can get that little cute quote in. It's literally the cutest thing ever. And then I need to look for like a background song just to make it woo! Do you know what I mean? I'm so excited to try this out. It looks insane. Like I literally don't even want to use it because it looks sick. Oh my god, I'm so happy! Because today is my skincare and pamper day. I feel like I'm wasting time just by being sat here doing absolutely nothing. Decisions. Cookies. So I have just finished showering. I've used the razor. Oh my god. That is the best razor I've used. Hands down, no joke. Literally, my skin feels so smooth. That is the best shave I have ever received. If you're looking for a great razor, I 100% would recommend. It's literally amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna go eat now and then I want to do my makeup. I'm charging one of my batteries because I didn't realise only one had full charge, which is super annoying because I'm filming loads of videos today later on. Hi guys, so I'm back. I just had breakfast. Well, I'm still drinking my cup of tea here. Okay, so the time now is 1:30. I'm just gonna clip my hair back so it's out of my face. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Primer for my face. I do a few squirts of that on my hand. It's finished, you're lying. When you're submissive, passive aggressive, can we just digest?
When he put the bottle down, we had a couple
coronas,
when a couple of moments,
a couple of grown-ups.
You a fly child, beautiful child, I'm in your zone. Looking like he wants to be 70 yet alone. Y'all don't even know what you want from love anymore. When I'm bored with girl,
I know you've been through more than most of us.
Thinking love with me, girl. Would you ever wish that we could be together?
That's low.
This speaker takes the piss. How can I just turn off? The battery like okay, I'm gonna charge this. Laura Mercier. Thought you were here, baby. This song is making me want to cry. This song is so good. Nothing to lose. This is my everyday makeup look, and now I'm going to go in with the yellow eyeshadow in the inner corners. Wow, I'm actually so proud of how this look came out. Yes, I'm charging my speaker, which means that when I'm taking photos I can put music on in the background. The time is 2:30 now, which means that I've got around 2 hours before it starts getting pitch black outside, which is fine because I've got the ring light. This is a vibe. Mick Jenkins, Carefree. I like this. This is the Forever Flawless palette by Revolution. It is Tammy's collection and it's called Birds of Paradise. In here, we've got a range of beautiful colours. So I'm going to go in with this yellow colour here called Canary. I'm going to go in with this little brush here. Get a makeup wipe my brush on there so that the brush is wet, which means that when I apply eyeshadow, the eyeshadow will come out more pigmented. Okay, so that is, probably can't see, but the yellow has been applied. It looks a bit plain because I've got no false eyelashes on or eyeliner on, so I might apply eyeliner. However, whenever I put eyeliner on, that's when I mess up. That's when things go wrong. It's going to be a task to put it on because I've got really curly eyelashes naturally, so it's hard to work over it. And this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pen, and I'm going to get copyrighted. It's in the shade Ebony. This is actually used for your brows, however, it's a bit too dark for my brows, so I'm going to go in and use it as an eyeliner. I'm scared. Yes, I'm a petty lover today. I will leave my Spotify playlist link down below because the songs, listen, bangers. Let me see what I look like on my phone. Yeah, I look crazy. yeah. Tell me, baby, do you like it? Just to give the illusion that there's something going on. The way I'm twisting my body just to put eyeliner on. I'm just gonna clean that up there. Yay! Makeup look is done now. It is now 2:40. Okay, I'm gonna get changed now. 3, 2, 1. I love this coverboard. 2-piece on with a little sports bra on. Okay, I think I've got a thumbnail now. Okay, so I've got a little camera shutter here, and this camera shutter basically is Bluetooth powered. So say if I'm taking selfies on my phone, what I need to do is connect my phone to the Bluetooth shutter, and then I can put my phone on my ring light and then click the camera shutter, and then it will take a photo. So pretend the camera is my phone. I want a photo kind of like this. So I took a few, I'm just going to review them. I don't like any of them. I need the angle to be from there. Oh, I just had the best idea. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do this. These are the ones I've just taken right now. Say if I like this one, I'll just do that. Yeah, there's loads, literally. These are quite cool. Too cheesy. Okay, so that's what I'm doing basically. I'm going to adjust the ring light so I can try and get a full body picture. This is the outfit. This is so cute, I love it. This is the reality, I ain't gonna lie. That's all from today. This is nothing. Normally there's more, trust me, there's more. I'm really happy with this, so thank you to Hey Estrid for reaching out to me and kindly gifting me this razor. I'll leave everything linked down below if you guys are interested in purchasing a razor. Go for it, amazing. Vegan friendly, environmentally friendly. What more could you want? I hate myself. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Sorry it's been a bit hectic all over the place. That's the reality of it, I'm not gonna lie to you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.